Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it for this love pain. Anybody got a prescription, yeah?
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size Happy Planner, and I've just switched over planners for the remainder of the year, and I filmed a video to show you my lineup, so if you want to see it, check that out. I'll go ahead and make sure I link it down below. So this week I am using the Wild Styled sticker book. This is going to be my first time using it, and I saved it because I wanted the first time I use it to be in my classic size planner. So this is the Wild Style planner. I have switched over to it for the remainder of the year, and it is a vertical layout, and I hope I'm just going to love it, love it, love it. I'm planning for the week of June 29th through July 5th. So I'll go ahead and take these pages off the disc and put the planner to the side. Now, as I said, this is the first time I'm using the Wild Style sticker book, and so hopefully I can stick with just this one. I don't want to put anything else in here. I don't want to plan using any other book. So it may be that I have to pull out my colorful boxes, but if so, hopefully that'll be about it. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I am done. I must say I love this wild styled sticker book. I love it. I love it. Gonna have to get more. Hopefully I can find them. I'll probably go out today and see if I can find some at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but I love this. I really had not gone through it since I got it to really see what all was available, but guys, I love this sticker book. And I love the fact that this page is just a blank slate. Yeah, so I have got to get another one of these sticker books. You'll probably get sick of seeing me use it. But, you know, knowing me, I'll use it 3 or 4 times in a row or, you know, something like that. And then I'll put it down and then, you know, take a break from it. But, guys, I just have to say I love this. I love the colors. So, yeah. Let me know if you're as crazy about the sticker book as I just discovered I am. So, I love it. So, all right, guys. So, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.